Good morning, students. What do you mean by automobiles? Automobiles is a means of transport that usually has a wheel and an engine. So in Tamil we will say Vahanangal. Okay. So today we are going to see a poem. The title of the poem is The Auto. It was written by Edgar Guest. Okay, so this poem is about an automobile. Okay, how the automobiles are useful to us, what are the benefits of automobiles, like that we are going to see in this poem. Now automobiles are an important part in our modern life. Today we cannot live without an automobile for a single day, is it? Now I am giving one situation. Just imagine, students, there is a no vehicle. Okay, imagine a day without a vehicle. In a day there is no vehicle at all. Then how did you spend your days? And also tell me the benefits and the drawback of the situation. So now we shall see the first benefits. Okay, if there is no vehicle, okay, in a day there is no vehicle, just I am going to say what are the benefits of that. That is, you will spend much time with your family members, right? Then you will do a physical exercise like a walking. The next one, you will have a less pollution, okay, less pollution and no traffic in the road. So these are all the benefits. And what are the drawbacks of that situation? That is, not able to reach school, college, office, home or travel to faraway places. If there is no vehicle, so you won't able to go to the college, schools, home, or you will not able to travel faraway places, right? So that's one drawback. And next, what's the drawback? So in a case of emergency, okay, you are feeling very helpless. If your emergency means you will take a vehicle and you go to the hospital. If there is no vehicle means you are feeling very helpless in the situation, right? So in a case of emergency, you are feeling very helpless. So this is a drawback of the situation. Okay, now we shall see the poem. Now students, see this image. So this is a poem for you. Okay, the speaker seems to be quite fond of automobiles. Let us read the poem to find out why. Who is the speaker of the poem? The poet. Who is a poet? That is Edgar Guest is the poet. He is the speaker of the poem. So the poet, he likes the automobiles very much. Okay, he loves the automobiles. He is much fond of the automobiles. That's why he has written the poem The Auto. Okay, let us see why he fond of such automobiles like that. Let us see by reading the poem. Okay, first I will read out the poem. Next I will give you the explanation. An auto is a helpful thing. I love the way the motor hums. I love each cushion and each spring. The way it goes, the way it comes. It saves me many a dreary mile. It brings me quickly to the smile of those at homes and every day. It adds unto my time for play. It keeps me with my friends in touch. No journey now appears too much to make with meetings at the end. It gives me time to be a friend. It loves at distance and has power to lengthen every fleeting hour. It bears me into a country new that otherwise I would never view. It sits steady and it strives to fill with happiness our life. When for the daughter we have a need, it brings him to our door with speed. It says as hours of anxious care and heavy heart attack and despair. It has a sport, but still I sing. The auto is a helpful thing. So it was written by Edgar Guest. Now I am going to explain the poem stanza-wise. Okay, so the first stanza, that is, an auto is a helpful thing. I love the way the motor hums. I love each cushions and each springs. The way it goes and the way it comes. It saves me many a dreary mile. It brings me quickly to the smile of those at homes and every day. It adds unto my time for play. So in this, the new words are dreary. Okay, what do you mean by dreary? Dreary means dull and the boring. Okay, dreary means dull and boring. And what's the next new word? Unto. Unto means to. Okay. So in this stanza, it explains about the importance of automobiles. Okay, the speaker. Who is the speaker? That is Edgar Guest is the speaker of the poem. Okay, the speaker loves the motor hums. That is the sound of the automobiles. That is the horn sound. And he likes the cushions. He likes the spring and the way it comes and goes on the road. Okay, these are all the things the poet likes very much. The outer appearance. Okay, the outer appearance of the automobiles. The speaker, that is the poet, that is Edgar Guest, he likes very much. Okay, the speaker loves the motor hums, each cushions and each springs, the way the automobiles comes and goes on the road. So these are the things the poet likes. And the poet is saves from the dull and the boring time using the automobiles. Okay, the poet, he saves the dull and the boring time. What do you mean by deary? Deary means dull and the boring time by using the automobiles. The speaker, okay, the speaker gets some free time to do the activities. The auto leaves more time for other activities. He can also play and travel to many places. Okay, so this is explanation of the first stanza. Here the poet likes the outer appearance of the automobiles, and next the poet saves the dull and the boring time by using the automobiles, and next the poet gets some free time to do the activity. The auto leaves more time for other activities also, and it can play or it can travel to many places. Okay, he can play with that automobiles. He can travel, okay, to many places with the help of the automobile. See the second stanza. It keeps me with my friends in touch. No journey now appeared too much to make with the meetings at the end. It gives me a time to be a friend. It loves at distance and has power to lengthen every fleeting hours. It bears me into country new that otherwise I would never view. So here what are the new words are given? That is a fleeting. What do you mean by fleeting? Lasting only for a short time. That is known as the fleeting. Then next, bears, the meaning is carries. Okay, so here the poet can meet his friend with the help of an automobiles. Okay, the speaker can meet his friends quickly with the help of the automobiles. It helps us to stay connected with the friends and the family members. Okay, so if you want to go to somewhere, if you want to meet a friends, what you will do? You will take a vehicle and you will go and see to them. Is it? So that's only the poet is also telling that if a poet want to meet a friend, he quickly takes the automobiles. Okay, the speaker can meet his friends quickly with the help of an automobiles. It helps us to stay connected with the friends and the families. That's only they are given the line. It keeps me with my friends in touch. And the next one, the distance. Okay, the distance is not a problem for the automobile, because they can travel a far away places in a shorter time. Okay, so if you are feeling, oh, it is very distant, no, it is not a problem at all. By using with the help of the automobile, we can reach the destination very quickly, right? So if you want to go to somewhere, okay, for a long time, what you will do? You will take an automobile and you will go. So you will reach the destination. Destination means the reaching place very quickly, no? That's what they are saying here. Distance is not a problem for automobile because they can travel a far away places in a short time. And it carries, what do you mean by bears? Bears means carries. Okay, so it carries me into a country new that otherwise I would never view. Okay, so this one, it bears me into the country's news that otherwise I would never view. The meaning of this is, it carries me into a country new that otherwise I would never view that. Never view. Okay, by sitting in the automobile, I can view every nature. Okay, I can see, I can sit comfortably and view the nature. Okay, whatever it come across, I can able to see everything. Like that they are saying in the second stanza. Okay, see here in third stanza, it sips and sturdy and it strives to fill with happiness our life. When for the daughter we have a need, it brings him to our door with step, door with speed. It saves us hours of anxious care and heavy heart attack and despairs. It has its faults, but still I sing. The auto is a helpful thing. Okay. So in here, the new words are, what are the new words? Steady. Steady means what? Strong and not easily damaged. Okay, sturdy. It is very strong and it's not easily damaged at all. And strive means what? Try very hard to achieve something. That is known as a strive. Strive means try very hard to achieve something. Next one, anxious. Anxious means feeling worried or nervous. Padatama irukra. That is known as the anxious. Then despair. Despair means the feeling of having lost all hope. Okay, despair means the feeling of having lost all the hopes. So in the second stanza they are telling that the automobiles is very strong. Sturdy means what? Very strong and it's not easily damaged. That is known as the sturdy. The automobiles is very strong and it will not easily damage at all. They will build the automobiles in a very strong manner. Okay. So it try hard to achieve the destination. That is a reaching place. Okay. It will reach the destination point very hard. Okay, it try very hard to achieve the destination, that is the reaching place. Try means what? Try very hard to achieve something. Here there refers to one destination. Okay, that is a reaching place. Okay. So the automobiles, it is very strong and it's not easily damaged and they try hard to achieve the destination, that is a reaching place. It fills our life with happiness. Okay, with the help of automobiles we can fill our life with a lot of happiness. Then in case of emergency, the automobiles, in case of emergency, what automobile you will call for? That is an ambulance. Is it? In case of emergency, what you will call? The ambulance. Ambulance will come quickly with a great speed and take the patients to the hospital, right? So automobile saves our time which we may have spent worrying. So the automobiles is saving our time. Okay, it will come quickly and take the patients to the hospital with a great speed. It saves our time. That only they are saying. When the daughter, we have a need of a daughter means it brings him to our door with steps. Okay, so the ambulance will come and take the patients quickly to the hospitals. Otherwise, if a patient is very sick condition means the doctor can come to our home, that is a patient home. The doctor can come to the patient home with the help of the automobiles. It brings him to our home with a speed. The doctor can also come to the patient homes with the help of the automobiles. The next one, and they are saying that it has some faults. The automobiles, they had some faults. What are the faults they have? Can you guess? What faults do you think vehicles have? That is, they are having a pollution. Okay, by using the vehicle you are having a lot of pollution in our environment, right? And there is a lot of noise from the vehicle, okay, which will disturb the other people. Is it? The faults in the, but automobiles, they are having some faults such as a pollution, lot of noise from the automobiles. So these are the faults the vehicles have. Okay, but still I sing that hope. Even though there is a fault, the speaker, okay, he sings the importance of the automobiles. Okay, he is praising the automobiles. He is saying the benefits of automobiles. Even though it has a fault, the poet is saying that the benefits of an automobile. That is, the auto is a helpful thing. The auto is a helpful thing, like that. The poet, he come to tell that. Okay, so this is explanation of a third stanza. Okay. Have you clear with this, students? So I hope you all clear with the poem. So in this poem they are telling the importance of automobiles, or the benefits of automobiles. Okay, in what are the ways the automobiles are helpful, and even though it is having a lot of benefits, there is also a fault in the automobiles. That also the poet, he come to say that. Okay, now students, tell me, what is a positive aspect of an automobile? think of that positive aspect of the automobiles. By using the automobiles, what are the positive aspect you get? The first point is automobile saves time and help us stay connected with the friends and the family. So this is the first point. Okay, if you want to meet a friend or family members, you will quickly take your automobiles and you will go to the destination, right? Okay, it help us to stay connected with the friends and family. And what is this second one? That is, they have also made traveling to far off places easier. They bring help quickly in case of emergency. Okay, they can able to travel a far away places in a very shorter time. Okay, they can able, if you want to travel a far away places, by using the automobile you can reach the destination very quickly. That's only they are saying traveling to far away places very easier. Okay, and they help quickly in case of emergency. In case of emergency, it will help quickly. Okay, so these are the positive aspect of an automobile. And what are the negative aspect of an automobile? Think of that. The first one is, the main point is the pollution. By using the automobiles, you are getting a lot of pollution in our environment. That is the air pollution, right? And next one, in the road there is a traffic jam, is it? So this is the second point. And third one, sometimes the automobiles makes the lot of noises, is it? So these are the negative aspects of an automobiles. Okay, so from this poem you come to understand that the positive aspect of automobiles and the negative aspect of an automobile, that is the faults of an automobiles. Okay. Now students, in this poem, can you see the rhyming words? What are the rhyming words you come across? Can you tell? Let me explain you the rhyming words. Rhyming words in the poem. There are so many rhyming words in the poem. Let us see one by one. Okay, in the first stanza, see that is think, spring. What do you mean by rhyming words? The words that have the similar sound are known as the rhyming words. Here what are the words they are having a similar sounds? That is think, spring. Is it? Think, spring. The next one, hums, comes. The next one, mile, smile. Mile, smile. And next one, day, play. So this is in the first stanza. Okay, first stanza, the rhyming words. Okay, can you tell me the second stanza rhyming words? Second stanza, what are the rhyming words are there? That is touch, much. The next one, end, friend. And next one, power, hour. Power, hour. And next one, new view. New view. So these are the rhyming words in the second stanza. Okay. And what are the rhyming words in the third stanza? That is strive, strives, lives. Strives, lives. Then need, speed. Next one, care, despair. Next one, sink, think. Okay, these are the rhyming words in the third stanza. Okay, in the poem we are having a lot of rhyming words. They are think, spring, hums, comes, mile, smile, day, play. In second stanza, touch, much, end, friend, power, hour, new view. And in the third stanza, strives, lives, need, speed, care, despair, sing, think. These are the rhyming words in the poem. Okay. Students, have you clear with the poem? So I hope you understand the poem. So you have to, the homework for today is you have to learn and write these new words and also the rhyming words in the poem. Thank you, students.